ticket office for the Unity Park. Got our buns. So after the security check, we're walking inside just to let you know that water is not allowed, power banks not allowed. That's the tunnel entrance. Getting into Unity Park. So many wedding photo shoots happening. There's a kids' playground. Very beautiful park.
Wallah, Addis Ababa means new flower.
Addis Ababa means a new flower.
So the flower, this one.
Ah. So the meaning of Addis came from this flower, it means a new flower.
So the flower of this. So the starting point is from the top.
Yeah.
So when the queen of see the Addis Ababa, oh, that flower is a new flower.
Ah.
Oh, we like it. So Addis Ababa meaning came from that.
Some water fountain. Now we are heading into Black Lion Zoo. Let's go see some lions. To the lions.
What did you do when the lions got here? Yeah, the lions there.
Where are they?
They're sleeping.
Can't see them.
Yeah, over here.
Ah.
But the man is not, I think, so maybe they sleeping on the cave.
We have some marabou stock. And we have some shops where you can buy some snacks, some coffee, traditional coffee, a gift shop. We are going into the indigenous garden. Very stylish toilets. See how beautiful they are?
It's a many nationality peoples above 18. So one of these one the traditional home of Somalia.
This is the traditional home.
Yeah, they are Somalian peoples.
Looks like a
Somalian
camel.
peoples, camel, they are made of camels.
Yeah.
So that's why the home styles. It's very cold, nice. At the whole time it's not cold. So this is the like salons. Yeah, this is for the prepare of foods. So this means people is living here. They stay here. They they talking here. They sitting here. So the food is prepared here.
Like a kitchen.
So the whole family lives here. That's the house that we just came from. The music is coming from a church that is nearby. It's Friday and it's prayer day for some of the residents here. Nice manicured garden with the background view of the town. Some of the leaders.
From the emperor to Prime Minister.
From the emperor to the prime minister, all the Ethiopian leaders.
Military leaders and the Prime Minister leaders, Federation leaders. And then so this one is the king.
Ah,
This is the first king, and this the one is the last king
this is the first king over here.
of Ethiopia.
And now we're going to the green
Yeah,
area.
before, yeah, he's starting.
Heading to the aquarium and zoo area. Hope to see some fishy. This is the house of the emperor.
The architect is like this. He's like, service of houses, this one. So this is the big tree. The tree is 150 years old.
This tree.
Yeah.
What type of tree is this?
The tree of this one is the big tree.
The Menelik tree.
So they are artists. When he's in a good field, they take a spirit of water.
Saying this is the first car in Ethiopia, owned by
Volkswagens.
a Volkswagen, owned by
Emperor Haile Selassie, the last emperor of Ethiopia, Rastafaris.
a bit of history about the Menelik Palace. So is he one of the authors or he's one of the writers?
The reading, the rice is there.
Yes.
The book's already,
Yeah.
did. After the end, the father of Ethiopia reading like this.
Ah. So we're going to the Rastafari Museum.
If you don't have the red lock, don't shake them.
If you don't have what?
The red lock, don't shake them. Yeah, man.
Beautiful. Nice chandeliers.
He is the last prime minister of Ethiopia. Yes, this has last this one. This is the throne of the states. So this is this one.
So this is Haile Selassie. So that's Haile Selassie on the throne.
The automatic militaries, of the victory of Ethiopians after independence as they move into Victoria. So the soldiers were
The chandeliers in here are amazing. Look at the doorknob.
about that. So when she's arrived in Jerusalem, Saddam was like, see, that's the Queen Sheba.
There are more cafes. There's a pizza area, ice cream. We're going into the banquet hall. This is a little garden outside. It's a banquet hall. Tina taking selfies as usual.
Yeah, this is the traditional home styles.
Traditional home style, all hand painted.
Painting behind, most of the countries are like this. Very beautiful, colorful.
Yes.
This is the big hall. So before the government has, so the government has is they collect the taxes from countryside to here. So people is from 1,000 500 kilometers away from the countryside. They take taxes from the government.
Very nice chandeliers again. The banqueting hall. And at the throne this time round you have Menelik II.
So when you drink, not like
Local honey
it's
being made from
know,
this pot.
And if your blood is, its name is Berle.
This is where the honey is
Berle
kept.
is easy drink the local honey beer wine or
Berle.
wine touch, and very please big peppers.
For the local beer.
We're gonna touch.
Going inside the zoo to see some animals. Some meerkats. Look at the little fellows right over there. Hello, cutie. Hello. Look at the beauty. That's a cheetah. African wild dog. Pink is too warm right now, so they're under the shade taking a nap. Very peaceful. Lions, look, beauty. That's the male lion with the view of the city. Just relaxing peacefully. There goes the giraffes. You got giraffes and an eland right over there. Then on top of the hill, some zebras, ostriches, a male ostrich by its own. Hello. Some zebras. The male and female ostrich. That's a wildebeest, one of the ugly five. We're going inside. A very those are Egyptian geese. Have a color lily here. Have a crown crane. Beautiful, that's a crown crane. Nice, cute coffee shop. Oh, an ice cream shop, not coffee.
So this is the obelisks. This is at the at the war of Italy's. They moved from here to Italy. So after like 20 years they back in Italy. So this one the obelisks. Anyway, Ethiopian it is the combination of the states. States of freedom. This one difference.
This is the Amhara. We came from Tigray, now Amhara.
Like big of Rift Valleys. So when it
Benshangul.
no eat, but drink obvious or meat. Yeah, meat. Because meat is the music materials like folklores. Like, the music of this one is when he dance with the people it's like this one.
Ah.
This is the nationality of Ethiopia. This one the tribes. Omo Valley. Every desert, border of and Kenya and Ethiopia. This is the tribe peoples. The first is the landscapes. This is prepare of coffees. From the first is bring of the coffees. How do you collect the people from the trees? So this
And the
one,
houses.
This is the coffee tree. This one, the big coffee trees. In the north part, the south part of Ethiopia, like forest. This one.
Afar region. They have a total of 9 regions.
This is the forest.
This is Harare. Oromia, very beautiful.
North part, this Kenya, like that. The people like speak Oromia. Kenya from the Oromia, I think so. Kenya is
Beautiful
ours,
house.
yeah.
كلنا صور